I have a little secret with all of my plants, not because these ones, the alocaceas, I do with these ones, with the philodendrons, with the rubber plants, with every plant. With time, there is always a bit of dust, okay? And in order to be proper purifiers, the plants need to be, and to grow properly, they need to be clean. The leaves need to be clean. It's like our skin. We need to have a shower. We need to as well shower them. What I do is I use a bit of a little. I take to the shower or to the sink in the kitchen. Sometimes my husband wants to clean it, but it's another story. I take a cloth with a bit of organic soap, which I'm saying is not a chemical soap because you don't want to damage them, okay? And you just a little bit. You don't need much. You just clean them very carefully because they are very delicate at the same time. And then with the tap, you just basically shower them and remove whatever leftover of the soap is there. And at least they breathe, they can breathe again. And of course, you make sure that you don't leave, you make sure that they don't have water at the bottom after the shower. You put it in that when all of the water is already drained and everything, you know. And then once they're clean and they're beautifully clean, again you can do again this wonderful thing of misting them, you know, with a bit of water when they're clean. And then they're clean, they breathe, and they clean all of the bad particles of the house because we have so many, you know, like chemical things in the air.